This is the marking guard by Buddy Tools. It's designed to go inside your electrical box. The point breaks through the sheetrock, marking the center. The second thing it does is guard your wires from the router bit. And as you can see here, it did its job and no one was harmed. So this is the drywall taping tool from Buddy Tools. Your tape goes in here, runs through this hopper, and that's where you're gonna put your mud. Feed it through here, come through the bottom, come through that slot, bring it through here, run it through the front. Tape goes like that, now you're ready for mud. So now all you have to do is pull the tape out to the length you need and apply it to the wall. It's going to apply the perfect amount of mud on the tape, so you don't have to worry about that, and it makes it super simple. Just like anything, there is a technique to it. What you want to do is hold it with one hand and apply it to the wall with the other hand and the knife. And then all you do is just smooth it out without pulling out the compound. It's better to cut your pieces a little bit longer than you think than to go shorter. You can always just cut off that excess. This tool is really easy to use. Even for someone who has never taped before, it makes it extremely easy, and it is way faster than taping by hand. You almost always have to add water to your compound to get it to the right consistency. And of course, I'm using the Mix It from Buddy Tools. I love this mixer. It's made of ABS plastic, so it's not going to scratch the bucket and get shavings in your mud. It's great for mixing drywall compound, paints, epoxies. And because it's made of ABS plastic, it cleans up super easy. Throw it in some water and it pretty much cleans itself. This is the Scoop and Scrape Bucket Scoop. Great for scooping drywall compound, tile mortar, stucco, really anything you need to scoop out of a bucket. Its unique and flexible design allows you to really scrape clean the edge of the bucket. And because it's made of nylon, it cleans up extremely well.